Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora video editing software. And in today's video, I will show you on how to simply change your project aspect ratio in Filmora video editing software. Let me show you how. For instance, this particular project aspect ratio right here is in form of vertical format, which is in form of short or Instagram upload. So what we want to do here to change the aspect ratio is to come down below right here, click on this particular icon right here, go ahead and click on change aspect ratio. Then this window here is going to pop up. Then from under aspect ratio here, go ahead and click on here. You can choose any of the aspect ratio right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to use standard, which is 4:3 ratio. Hit on OK, and it's going to change from the home screen right here. We can go ahead and come back right here, click on change aspect ratio, and then we can decide to change to another aspect ratio right here. We can decide to change to 16:9 widescreen and hit on OK. Then we have everything right here. You can go on and change your project aspect ratio in Filmora without any stress. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Filmora video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.